Side to side sliding lunges. Side to side sliding lunges are a great warm-up exercise for your hips and your adductors or your inner thighs. Start by standing super wide with your toes all facing forward. Dip down as though you're going to perform a side lunge into one leg. Don't push your mobility until you're ready. You want to go through a few reps and warm your hips up before you drive down too far. So start by dipping down into one side. Bend the opposite knee and slide directly across at that level. So you're going to feel a stretch through the inner thigh. You're going to feel a stretch through the hips as you slide across. And then as you get warmer and warmer and warmer, you can increase your depth. And you'll notice over time that your mobility gets a lot better. So from the side, you can see that my depth does not change at all as I'm sliding across. So I'm trying to get down as close as I can to the floor, keeping neutral spine, keeping my abs tight. That is side to side sliding lunges.